Are you living check to check? If so, this is episode for you. I want to teach you how to maximize your money so that you can create the life that you really want. Welcome to the Rule Your Money Show. I am your host, Dakota Grady. And if it's your first time listening to the show, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to talk about how to maximize your money and create the life that you really want. We're talking about basically how to create wealth. And the foundation of creating wealth is having a money plan. That is a monthly budget. You will never outgrow the need to budget your money because it doesn't matter how much money you make. What's important is how well you manage what you make. I'll say it again. What's important is how well you manage what you make, not necessarily how much money you make. Also, according to CareerBuilder, 78% of people in America are struggling financially. And the reason why I believe they're struggling is because they don't do a monthly money plan. Hands down, people may make a lot of money and still be broke. In fact, one survey said that people who make six figures are even struggling as well. That says to me, people are making money, but they don't know how to manage their finances. That's why I'm here to serve you and the world with financial literacy, because the foundation of money management, of wealth, getting the bag, keeping the bag, is doing the money plan. So today we're going to dive right into the process so that you can maximize your money today. So we're starting our budget here, maybe for a single parent or maybe a couple is starting out on the journey with finances. So we're going to budget $4,000 for the month. That's what they make per month, all right, for the month. And then we're going to go down our money plan. So we have different categories: giving, savings, home, expenses, utilities, and so forth. So we're going to just go down this budget and allocate all our income to a line item. We're going to give every dollar of our income a job, because our money is our employee. We're going to make it work for us and make it give us what we wanted. So let's start. So we're going to go down, start with our giving. We're going to give our rainy day fund. So actually our giving here, we're going to do 10%. So that would be $400 right there for giving. All right. And then next what we'll do savings for our rainy day fund of $200. Right there, $200 there. All right. Now we'll talk about utilities. Now, actually, let's go back up here to our mortgage. We're gonna say, yeah, for rent, that may pay like $1,000 a month for rent. Now, I also have different percentages as well, so you can stay within those ranges. It's not like a written in stone, but it's kind of like a guideline for you. If you're going to do, say, 25 to 30% of your income goes to housing, that's reasonable. But if it's like 50% of your income goes to housing, that's a problem. So you'll make sure it's reasonable for your income level. And next we're going to do utilities. So utilities would be $275 for the month, all right? So if you have different utilities, you can just categorize all of them and make it a sum here of $275 for the month. All right. And then $275 for the month. How about food? What we're gonna do, we'll be conservative and put $400. I know $475 for the food. I know some people are like $475, so yeah, keep it $475 for food. All right. So that's page one of a money plan right here. All right. And the next one we're gonna do is our gas for our vehicle. Because we have a car, we live in some transportation, we're gonna do gas of $200. Because they live in a small town, not a huge metropolitan area, but enough for them to need gas for their car, all right, fuel. And then we're gonna do insurance. Now, so we're assuming that they have health insurance through their employer and also dental, life insurance, and right now they're not getting any disability insurance and they aren't enrolled in any kind of ID theft protection yet. But we're gonna do insurance for the car of $180 right here. All right, and then we're going to look at our hygiene. All right, we don't have any medical bills. This is our hygiene coming up here. And see hygiene here. We're gonna do tissue, toiletries. We're gonna also just lump all this together. And let's say for this hygiene is going to be $100 here. Total $100. All right. So that's for that page right there. Now they have a car payment and it's credit card debt. So they may owe like $5,000 for the car loan, but they're going to pay payments on it of $475 for the car loan. So they're going to go right here, car payment, $475 right here. All right. Then they also have a credit card. So they have a credit card. We're going to pay $500 on the credit card to get that debt taken care of. They may have like $10,000 in debt, but again, they're paying payments on it. So see, credit card company number one, we're gonna put $500 right here. Now, we're gonna pull out the calculator. We'll go old school with this here, right? Calculator right here. And we're gonna add up all the amounts we have so far. So let's do it. So we have $4,000 we earned for the month. All right, got my numbers here. I'm gonna just go down my list. You can see it. So everything we're gonna subtract here. We did giving, have savings, mortgage, rent, excuse me, then utilities, food, gas, we got insurance and hygiene, and we have a car payment, we have the credit card. How much did that leave? So we have remaining $195. All right. So what we could do is we're going to budget at $195, and we can increase that and put it in savings, or we can just leave it for the next month. So basically what we could do is leave $195 in there and say it's going to be what remains for the next month. But we can say we budgeted for, it'll be miscellaneous, but we won't spend that money. We'll just leave it there, and when we roll it over for the next budget, it'll be the $4,000 plus the $195. So you have budgeted $41.95 for the month, the next month, basically. So you got $195 remaining, or you can just budget the entire amount. So you have anything left over. But if you have anything left over, make sure you account for it. Roll that money over remaining to the next month. So in our budget, we're gonna say, all right, so we had $195. We're gonna just put that $195 for, say, more savings or more towards debt. We're gonna budget the entire amount, $4,000. So we have $4,000 that we earned minus $4,000 that we budgeted or planned, and that equals 0. And that's how you do a zero-based money plan. So you do this every single month so that you know that you are living within your means and maximizing every dollar that you earn. You can do this. I recommend doing it for 90 days on paper. Once you get used to doing it, then you can be able to do your money plan in a software, maybe in a spreadsheet, but make sure you do this written, and that way you can understand that you can do your money plan, be disciplined doing it, because people don't want to do the hard part. This is the hard part. Writing it down, putting it on paper, and then following the plan. So you can do it. Just make sure you get somebody to hold you accountable. Hire a money coach. You can hire me. You can find my information out at dakotagrady.com. Also, while you're there, get your resource to help you save money, your taxes, some strategies. Go to dakotagrady.com, click on tax strategies for your saving money in your business. And also, you want to find out about coaching, go to dakotagrady.com, click on the store, and you'll see coaching there to help you stay accountable to doing your money plan every month.